Brazil is far from Europe. Investing in Brazilian real estate is interesting for capital diversification. Brazil has a stable macroeconomic background of monetary policy, low inflation and a reliable, stable banking system, geopolitical stability, an open and friendly real estate market for foreign investors. Brazil is ideal for agriculture. It has fertile land and sufficient rainfall. In Brazil, foreigners own real estate on the right freehold, unlimited and undivided property rights. It confirms the document from the land registry. Set of documents to be submitted by an investor, a minimum. The deal takes a week. Additional payments to be considered: purchase tax, notary costs, translation costs. Altogether, 6 to 7% of the value of the object. There are 4 options for investment strategy: buy a plot of land for resale. The starting price of $40,000. The second option of investment: buy a duplex apartment, later resell or lease. Guaranteed yield from 10%. Prices from $100,000. Duplex apartments have a typical characteristics: the area, location. The entry threshold is low, and the yield is higher. But it is less predictable income than a hotel room. From $150,000 you can buy a room in the hotel. Many projects have very strict contract terms. For example, you cannot live in the purchased room by yourself, you can only get a 15% discount on the reservation. But there is a guaranteed yield for 12 years. The yield from the room is 6 to 8% per annum. The villas program does not have a guaranteed return because it is not a typical product. All villas and plots are different, as well as different design. Villas on the first line are the most expensive. Invest a minimum of $600,000. If you live in Brazil for 5 to 6 months a year, after 4 years you can get citizenship. You can also get Brazilian citizenship in 1 year, if you have a Brazilian spouse, child or parent. Brazilian citizenship provides visa-free entry to more than 150 countries, including the European Union. The minimum investment for resale or new construction is 700,000 rubles for the northern and northeastern states, and $1 million for other regions. This applies to both residential and commercial real estate, with the exception of rural real estate.